Lepakshi Temple is a 16th century Hindu temple located in Andhra Pradesh, dedicated to Lord Shiva, Vishnu and Veerabhadra. The temple is known for its stunning architecture and intricate carvings, which are considered to be some of the finest examples of the Vijayanagara style of architecture. Veerabhadra Temple at Lepakshi is quite famous for the hanging pillar, attracting hundreds of tourists around the year. The 16th century Vijayanagara monument enshrines Lord Shiva as Veerabhadra Swami. Apart from this religiously significant linga, one can see India's biggest monolithic Nandi statue situated only a few hundred meters away from the main temple. The temple is carved out of a low-altitude, tortoise-shaped hillock, Kurma Shaila. Once you enter the temple premises, ensure that you tilt your head up to look at the well-preserved paintings on the temple ceilings based on Ramayana and Mahabharata that charm the devotees till date. Right in front of the main temple is a grand assembly hall known as Natya Mantapa, consisting of 70 curved pillars, of which 12 pillars are situated at the center of the dancing hall. The Veerabhadra Temple, often known as Lepakshi Temple, is famous for its architectural wonder and mythical tales. Out of 70 pillars in the main temple complex, one pillar is hanging without touching the floor. A British officer tried to chase this mystery by moving it, which led to disturbance in nearby pillars. The hanging pillar in Natya Mandapa is a trademark feature of the temple. Many visitors pass a piece of cloth under the hanging pillar to only walk away with amazement and memories. The fresco in the ceiling of Ardha Mantapa, which is said to be Asia's largest, measures 23 by 13 feet. It has frescoes of the 14 avatars of Lord Shiva. The temple right, Virupanna, was convicted as a victim of envy from the king's courtiers. King Achyutadeva Raya sent orders to blind Virupanna for the complaint that the king's treasury was misused to build this temple. Virupanna, disheartened by hearing the news, plucked out his own eyes, leaving the construction of Kalyana Mantapa incomplete. Such is the popular folklore of this place. Nagalinga. Within the temple boundary, there is a huge boulder of granite stone which has a carving of 7 hooded serpent coiled in 3 layers, sheltering Shivling at the center. "36 pillars curved with the unique designs. These designs are used in the borders of the saris nowadays. The brilliantly carved textures are an epitome of creativity in the hands of Indian carvers. There is an indentation on the floor near the Kalyana Mantapa in the shape of a foot. This is believed to be Sita Mata's footprint. You can always find water accumulated in it. It is said that when Jatayu fell, he drank water coming out from the footprint and kept chanting Lord Rama's name. As a tribute to Jatayu's bravery and loyalty, Rama is said to have commanded that the place where Jatayu fell and died be known as Lepakshi. Visit Lepakshi. Experience Andhra Pradesh.